All right, now speaking of Elon Musk, his partner in Neuralink made a comment on Twitter that captured a lot of people's attention. You know why? Because it had 2 words in it. You know what those 2 words were?
Yeah, what's that?
Jurassic Park. He didn't mean it like the movie. I mean, he's referencing the movie, but he meant in real life. Does that get your boats in a row?
Oh, okay. Well,
I don't know what I'm talking about.
it does actually.
Does that float your boat?
Sure, yeah.
Or
it gets me going.
Does it row your boat? Row your boat.
It does all of.
See, I said things. Boats in a row. Maybe I'm in a row boat.
Sure, yeah. I mean, real life dinosaurs.
Gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily. Yeah. Would you go see the real life dinosaurs?
Yeah, I totally would.
Okay, here's what he says. We could probably build Jurassic Park if we wanted to. This is somebody by the name of Max Hodak. He is the co-founder of Neuralink alongside Elon Musk. Imagine saying that. We could probably build Jurassic Park. If we imagine you and I, quoted, on this show one day, we're like, build Jurassic Park if we wanted to. Yeah. You know? No big deal.
Yeah.
But this guy's got a better shot than we do. Neuralink is currently not working on anything relating to Jurassic Park, which makes the tweet a little bit strange. But of course, anybody who's working on Neuralink is more capable than you or I.
Yeah.
So
what's he saying? He's gonna build Jurassic
Park
not saying on his free time?
He's not saying he's going to. He's just saying I could if I wanted to.
Oh.
That's kind of like saying, you know, I could play in the NBA if I wanted to.
Yeah.
If I really tried, I'll be there right now. But no, I'm saying this guy is closer than that. If they're already working on Neuralink, he says we could probably build Jurassic Park if we wanted to. Wouldn't be genetically authentic dinosaurs, but maybe 15 years of breeding plus engineering to get super exotic novel species. So it's a toned down version of Jurassic Park. Would you still travel there?
Yeah. I mean, if they can make like animals.
Do you have any ethical issues with such a thing?
No, I don't think so.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm more like science. I like technology and science.
Come back with a bang.
Biology.
Come back with a bang.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, will you do?
I like technology.
Yeah. You're playing God over here. I am on the side of technology and the creation of new man-made species. No, but what I'm talking about is the potential consequences. You start toying around too much.
For sure, yeah.
You start messing with ecosystems. You start tweaking this thing over here, over there. I mean, they're doing it right now to a certain extent, not to the extent he's talking about. And there are ethical questions around who is granted the responsibility for this level of genetic engineering.
Yeah.
Oh,
there's definitely consequences.
And it's something you got to try lightly. You got to be careful about this. I mean, I don't know if anybody saw the movies.
Yeah.
Isn't it funny how we do all the things as humans? We do all the things in the movies. We do it. You see it in a movie, we're like, I'm going to do that 15 years from now.
Yeah.
You know?
It's inspiration.
It's interesting, though. Space and sci-fi and tech. And it's... If a human can think it, then a human can do it. I mean, to a point.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to fly. Okay, we fly.
To a point.
We're gonna go to space. So here's this. I mean, to a point and at a particular pace.
Yeah.
It has to be built on top. And unfortunately, we got this lifespan to work with. But every single time, it's the next generation that puts it on top, builds on top of it, keeps going that direction. I mean, if we don't screw it up too badly, keeps going in that direction, and you can't even. The future is unrecognizable, Will.
Yeah.
Even yours.
Mine is definitely unrecognizable.
You got a few years left in you.
Yeah.
A few more oil changes.
Oh. Yeah, it's diluted at this point.
Oh, yeah.
It needs
Yeah. Well, you keep lubricating with the coffee. You're on your second cup over there.
I know, yeah.
Which is rare for you. So I just shout out for that. Will you reach for the second coffee today? We have no idea what's going to happen. I mean, he could short circuit. He could go haywire.
I know. 11 p.m. right now.
Go haywire.
Yeah.